Since 2020, the organization Step Forward says it's helped thousands of people avoid eviction and keep their utilities on. But now that's ending. The nonprofit's announced the conclusion of its home relief assistance program at the end of the month. News 5's Remy Murray explains why and what that means for those who still need help.
Well, I really wish that they wouldn't, take that program away.
For the last 4 years, Step Forward has been a big help for people like Barbara Moore, thanks to its home relief assistance program.
I got laid off and got on unemployment. And so, the unemployment don't really give you that much. So I got really far behind on my rent.
Without Step Forward services, Moore says she would have been homeless.
I wouldn't have had no way to catch up that balance, you know what I'm saying? So possibly could have been evicted.
Now with Step Forward's home relief assistance program ending, Moore says she fears what this will mean for those families who still need that help.
Times are hard, and people struggle for different reasons. And it's not the fact that they just don't pay their rent. Some people just can't, or they don't make enough money.
Neighborhood Opportunity Center Director Trevina Galladay says Step Forward has made the difficult decision to end their program on March 31st.
Now that people are getting back to work, jobs are available, the money is coming to an end.
Serving as the largest community action agency in Ohio, Galladay says the organization has distributed more than $35 million since the program began in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic to aid people and their families. Galladay says this allows Step Forward to pay up to 18 months of assistance so people could keep their utilities on and avoid eviction.
With this ending, we will have to see if we can just help people with maybe security deposits, depending on what the funding is.
Galladay says Step Forward just accepted their last batch of applications for processing, and she says they have enough money to support those who are currently in the system.
Imagine that the residents will panic, and it means that we are going to have to support them in other ways to help them to find other resources and empower them to be able to budget.
Galladay says there are other community partners people can still turn to for help, like Cleveland Housing Network, 211 First Call for Help, and local churches. She also says people can take advantage of the programs that are still available here at Step Forward. In Cleveland, Remy Murray, News 5.
And one of those community partners Remy just mentioned, Cleveland Housing Network, has several options on its website. Help with utility payments, rent, avoiding foreclosure and eviction, and financial classes on home ownership. Remy also mentioned United Way's 211 free community service. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help with any resources you need, including maintaining utilities, help with home maintenance, or preventing eviction.